Oh, what? Look, it's real. There it is, a real live Bantam.
You guys are some dumb, drunk motherfuckers.
Alright, so, Bad Friend Bantam. Seeing how this is like, what, a few of the times we've encountered you on camera, is there anything you'd like to say for the Bad Friend Bantam official interview number 2?
For you drunk
This is number
motherfuckers
3.
to
This
go.
is number
Oh,
three.
is this, whatever number this
He's
is.
in natural habitat, fiending for cigarettes.
Look at him, look at him,
Yeah,
look at him.
let's
Fiending
do
off
cigarette.
Justin's cigarette. This guy's cigarette right here.
Fiend.
Cigarette right here. Right here, boys.
Alright, so Bantam, is there anything you'd like to
This
say?
is why we call
being
him
a bad
bad
friend?
friend.
We're gonna give you a couple scenarios in a minute, but right now, is there anything you'd like to say?
Fuck off, you dumb, drunk motherfuckers.
What about, seeing how it's Christmas time, would you like to wish anybody a Merry Christmas? Or are you just being a bad friend and gonna wish them all a bad Christmas?
Yep.
Bad Christmases? Okay, alright, so Bantam,
Hey, shine
hold
the
up, whoa,
light.
He's
whoa,
the-
Look at the
Bantam,
camera.
Bantam.
Look at this.
Wow,
Get up in his
what a
face.
bad friend.
Light's right in my...
Come on.
Alright, just tolerate the light a little bit longer, Bantam, for this scenario. Okay, Bantam, if you were at the air,
Stay.
if you were at,
in my
are you
eye.
gonna face this scenario, Bantam? Come on, yo. Bantam. Bantam keeps running away from the camera, you guys. Okay, Dirt, we need to finish this. Bantam's obviously not
Bantam's a
gonna...
fucking bitch. He's a fucking faggot ass bitch. He's a pussy ass bitch made ass wannabe ass bitch.
He's not giving us a fucking answer. He's not even
You guys
working
want
with
to know
us.
what Bantam is? He's more of
Baboons
a
are
bitch
afraid
than a
of
bitch.
media.
What's more of a bitch than a bitch?
Alright, Dirt, it's
Can't
not
get
about
any more
Bantam being a bitch. Alright, Bantam isn't gonna give us an interview because he's made a bitch. He keeps running away from the camera. So somebody just fucking say it. We know Bad Friend Bantam when we see it. What is this?
Wait, this is Turf Mom TV.
Yes.
Get out of my face, sucker.
Alright, let's
Turf
say
Mom
this.
TV, subscribe down. I'm gonna piss in your mom's assholes. Bye.